So starting next year, gain calculation is going to become significantly more complex because now you're going to have to reconcile against these 1099 DAs. So that's the big issue. The second issue that these regulations brought forward is an obligation on the taxpayer to use a first in, first out, or FIFO method, and you have to do it by account, if you will. Up until now, the guidance that the IRS has put out has implied that you don't have to use FIFO and that you can do what's called a universal wallet basis. So you kind of throw all your coins together and pick whichever ones you like. Now they're requiring it to be by wallet. The problem here is twofold. One is that's not how people have been doing it. And to all of a sudden have to change and do it a new way, it's going to be difficult. So they want to apply this method retroactively. They intimidated us in the write-ups. And I have to tell you, you're hearing it here first. We are in a tax court case where the lawyers have pushed it to the IRS Independent Office of Appeals. Independent is a misnomer. And the IRS Appeals has actually pulled this regulation out and said, we're going to apply this retroactively back to 2017. So we think that's kind of an outrageous thing to do, to retroactively apply something 8 years prior. The switch from universal to by wallet and switch to FIFO, in this person's case, is causing a $2 million swing in the gain calculation to the IRS's advantage, to be sure. So we think it's very interesting. Everybody needs to realize that everything has to be FIFO. Right now, of the 8 gain calculation services that are online, only 4 of them support by wallet gain reconciliation. So that is a big issue. These are big changes that have happened.